panel lifter can make drywall work easier. It can lift plasterboards up to 175 pounds at heights of up to 15 feet. The main feature of this model is that it locks the sheet in several positions, horizontally for ceiling installation, vertically for wall installation, and at an angle. The maximum panel size is 4 by 20 feet. The device features an innovative braking system with 2 handles for extra safety. The design of the lift allows you to connect a power drill, which speeds up the job even more. It's also very compact. When unfolded, the base measures just over 3.5 feet wide and can be easily moved thanks to the wheels. This product will come in handy for people working at heights, from construction workers to rescuers. The creators point out that it's designed to save time and effort compared to conventional fastening systems. The special fastening method makes it possible to quickly attach the device to various structural elements, from window openings to beams. The foldable design is compact and weighs only 12 pounds. It's easy to assemble and disassemble, even by a single person, as it extends up to 16 inches. The manufacturer notes that the product is already patented and saves thousands of dollars, at least because there's no need to drill holes in walls. This is an electric hand truck equipped with crawler tracks, which can be described as a new benchmark for the transport of heavy goods. At least that's what the manufacturers state. The model combines a high payload of up to 880 pounds and excellent maneuverability. Each crawler track has its own electric motor, which, combined with a height-adjustable base, makes it possible to work even in narrow spaces. Skipper is the only model approved for use in the London Underground stations. You can control the trolley with a joystick and just one finger. The full battery is enough for about 40 minutes of operation, and the tracks are designed to keep the trolley stable even on stairs with steps of varying heights. But it's not always necessary to use the most advanced technologies. Here is a device that cuts slabs without batteries, gasoline, complex electronic systems, or other gimmicks. All you have to do is properly pull the lever. The maximum cutting width is 26 inches, and the model is suitable for slabs up to 5 inches thick. Thanks to the improved design, you'll need to apply 25% less force to cut a slab. And the holding system is spring-loaded, so you can lock the boards in place without damaging them. The system weighs 178 pounds and is equipped with a pair of wheels for moving around the site. This is very convenient, and the manufacturer guarantees the quality of the construction by providing a 7-year warranty. With this tool, even one person can do an impressive amount of finishing work with minimal effort. The Cladman is compact and weighs only 2 pounds. It is easy to use too. When the first board is installed, the tool adjusts, locks into place, and helps install other boards. The overlap is adjustable from 0.3 to 3.4 inches and accommodates wood and fiber cement boards from 5 to 9 inches wide and 0.3 to 1.5 inches thick. The kit includes 2 tools at once, making the job as convenient and productive as possible. The cost of the kit is $191. This robot says hello to Spider-Man, as it can also climb walls. However, unlike Peter Parker, it doesn't fight evil, but performs visual inspections, cleaning, and painting. The manufacturers claim that the robot will help reduce the number of accidents and injuries. In the United States alone, more than 85,000 workers fall from heights each year. Thanks to a patented climbing technology, the robot can easily negotiate bumps and obstacles, such as bolts and cables. The robot has a payload of 13 pounds and various attachments are available. It can work on flat walls, poles, tanks, and similar objects. Since the work requires a cable, the maximum height when working from the ground is 100 feet. However, if the cable is attached from above, this restriction becomes irrelevant. A revolutionary tool that's changing the way we carry heavy items, claims the manufacturer of this lifter. It can hold up to 375 pounds, depending on the type of load. Thanks to its universal vacuum system, this tool can easily handle both smooth and porous materials. Glass, plastic, wood, metal, stone, all of these materials can be handled much more easily. The load can be held horizontally or vertically. An operation is very simple. The green button locks the item and the red button releases it. The tool weighs only 3.3 pounds, and a fully charged battery will run for approximately 1.5 hours. The pump life is over 800 hours of continuous operation, or over 100,000 on-off cycles. The manufacturer believes that the tool not only helps make the job more efficient, but also safer. Another simple but useful tool is this manual leveling tool. It's very useful for surface preparation in landscaping, for example if sand needs to be spread during pavement repair. The model offers an infinitely adjustable working width with two options available, with a working width of 26 to 47 inches and with a working width of 46 to 83 inches. The side wheels are height adjustable and can be removed if necessary. The machine weighs 50 to 65 pounds, and one person can operate it with comfort. In addition, the manufacturer also offers other products for similar work, such as paving tools. Finally, an easy-to-use tool that will help you complete drywall projects faster and with more accuracy, say the creators of this small device. It weighs less than a pound and is very compact, yet offers a 10-foot tape measure, a retractable utility blade, and a holder for a carpenter's pencil. The main material is ABS plastic, and the rubber handle provides a secure grip. There's also a special recess for spare blades. The tool can be used for measuring, marking, and cutting, and not only for drywall. The manufacturer says that it can work with linoleum, plywood, foam board, wood, and other materials. The price is $40. This is a tool that allows you to work carefully with paving blocks of all shapes and sizes. The model has a solid safety margin. The blades can be driven into the joints of existing pavements by the combination hammer. The distance between the blades can be adjusted without tools from 3.5 to 13 inches. With the locking device, the operator doesn't need to continually squeeze the handles together. The blades are made of spring steel and are easy to replace. The tool weight is 8.8 pounds. Interchangeable 2.2-inch and 2.6-inch blades, clamping elements, and handles are available. Another very specialized helper is this power trowel. It's available in several versions, is equipped with an electric or gasoline engine, and has a working diameter of 24 or 30 inches. The lightest model weighs 117 pounds, is equipped with a 5.5 horsepower Honda GX160 engine. The main feature of the series is a freely rotating ring with rubber protection, with the blades located underneath it. This makes it easier to move the machine along walls and saves time when working in hard-to-reach places. And the handle of all models in the series is foldable, which facilitates transport and storage. There is also an interesting piece of equipment for roofers. This roof seamer is self-propelled and works at 42 feet per minute. The manufacturer notes that the machine is exceptionally lightweight. The model weighs 58 pounds. Its dimensions are 11 inches by 15 inches by 17 inches. The tool is powered by a 110-volt electric motor, which is protected by a rugged Pelican case. The model provides quality roof seaming without damaging the metal coating. And if you don't have the money to buy it, the manufacturer also stocks a hand tool for the job. This clamp is very useful for quickly arranging a supporting point on an I-beam. The manufacturer offers a wide range of models, with a maximum working load of up to 15 tons and a weight of up to 130 pounds. A shackle can be attached to the bottom, but it is sold separately. Ease of installation is ensured by a central bolt, and the optimal design allows for a clamping angle of up to 45 degrees. The manufacturer also notes that, during testing, angles up to 90 degrees were possible, but not recommended due to the considerable risk of deformation or damage to the supporting structure. And there is a chart to help you determine the load depending on the working conditions as accurately as possible. Here is a cool product for tile masons, a tool designed specifically to help them. The laser projection is 32 feet, with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.4 inches. There are also 2 built-in spirit levels. Interestingly, there are 2 beam options available, red and green. The manufacturer claims that the latter is brighter. The tool runs on 2 AA batteries, enough for about 10 hours of use. It weighs less than 1 pound and is equipped with a magnetic base that allows for convenient tiling on both floors and walls. The manufacturer reminds us that the tool is also useful for installing wallpaper, carpentry and other jobs, and all it takes is 1 button to operate it. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.